Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay and today is happy 4th of July. It's Independence Day in the US. So today I'm going to do a reaction video to 10 most impressive fireworks displays in the world. The video is called. Let's check this out. Here we go.
Work in the world.
Come on. Whoa. Wow, that's impressive. Nice. Okay. There it goes. Nice. Ooh.
Yeah. Yep.
And launch. Ooh. Nice. There he goes. And okay. Ooh. Nice. Changes colors. Oh wow, there's still some more green in there. Cool.
Design of the mortar and getting the mortar fabricated, burying it into
3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
That isn't going to be going so high, don't you? It's perfect.
Boom. Get some red in there. Nice.
Wow.
That thing.
our artwork doesn't last very long. And so a lot of that, the quality is locked inside a person's memory. As a pyrotechnician, you learn that many times you might put in hundreds, possibly thousands of hours into something that will last about 10 seconds. That's what.
Here's one. Nice. Oh wow, look at that. It's like one big one into a bunch of little mini ones. Nice. Very nice. That's the China and Japan that shot that from. Ooh, like that. Oh wow, that's nice. There's another one. Cool. Nice. I like these ones. These are so small they start popping next time you see the actual power. That's cool. That's really nice. There you go, green one. Ooh, red and blue. Nice. Ooh. There you go. There's not much on this one. There it is. Ooh. Miniature rigs. All kinds of colors in that one. Nice. Mm. Bunch of little reds. Big red. Ooh, there's a bunch here. Little ones, I should say. Nice. Very nice. Okay. There we go. Not bad. There we go. That's better. Ooh. Ah. I was gonna say that was not a dud, but turns out it wasn't. Oh, here we go. Nice. Oh, impressive. There goes more. Ooh. Oh, red and green, blue, red. Boom. I like how they change colors. Like, that's awesome. Nice. There you go. Nice. It's another one. Nice. Ooh. It's like a little warm. It's very quiet in this one. I'll show this one right here, this clip. This video. You hear it. Wow. Sounds like a gunshot. Wow. Boom. Nice. Look at that. Just little ones. Yeah, we'll shoot little ones and then get this big one coming in the middle. Cool. There's more. Nice. Ooh. Here we go. Yeah. Ooh. It's a gold. It's a golden in color. Boom. Cool. Here's one. Nice. Very impressive. Cool. There it goes. Nice. Some orange in there. But again, it turns red. Ooh, here we go. Grand finale. Nice. Nice. Hey, there we go. Very impressive. There's more. Here we go. Let's be the grand finale. Yeah. Look at those babies go. Woo! That. Nice. Cool. That's another one. Ooh, two more. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, awesome job. It's awesome. That's awesome seeing fireworks. Hope everybody has a safe and wonderful, happy 4th of July. If you have pets and animals, please keep it inside during the fireworks show in your area because the animals are very afraid of loud noises, just like fireworks and that. So just a little heads up. And if you like my video, please leave a like, comment, and also please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. I'd like to thank all my subscribers for subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, and viewing. Without you, I won't be doing it. So thank you, everybody. Like I said, I hope everybody has a safe and wonderful 4th of July, Independence Day, and I will see you next time. Take care, stay safe, stay humble, and be a blessing.